I'm Dr. Sindhu Bhaskar. I'm director of EST Capital Zug in Switzerland, and I've created a banking platform with blockchain facilities. These banking platforms are in Latin America. One is in Peru, one is in coming up in Puerto Rico, another Switzerland. Also, we have applied. That should be coming in 6-7 months. Then a security house in Uruguay. So the whole purpose is to have a banking platform which can create any securities, which can issue any sort of asset-backed token, asset-backed digital assets, so that they clients and customers can have a full recourse for their investment. Our banking platform also has exchange facility, which is fully insured. Then the private wallet is also insured for $500,000. We have bond underwriting facility. We have credit cards like MasterCard, Visa, Amex, everything under our platform. And the most novel feature of our platform is microfinancing and funding for SMEs, for which we have created special blockchain products. And the market that we have created on blockchain is connecting the remote markets to the international market. And in this, the most important fact is that we are not giving the installment facility to the buyers. It is giving to the suppliers of those remote areas, so that they can prepare the artifacts and commodities and put it on the marketplace for sale, so that they can have proper remuneration. So that is called mini loan facility. So there are so many revolutionary features in it, and we are expanding in all different parts of world, in Southeast Asia, Africa, because those are the major centers of growth, and we have to take care of the banking setup and facilities, because those are the areas which have suffered most because of the ills of the big banks. So that is, in short, our basic product and project for now. Thank you.